Are you wondering where the fuse box is located in the 2024 Kia Sportage and how to understand its diagram? In this guide, we'll cover 2024 Kia Sportage location, provide a fuse diagram, and explain each fuse's role to help you troubleshoot and maintain your vehicle's electrical systems. Driver's side fuse panel. The driver's side fuse panel in the 2024 Kia Sportage is located near the dashboard for easy access and houses fuses for key systems like lights and power outlets. It includes a fuse diagram, spare fuses, and a puller tool for quick replacements. Each fuse is labeled for its specific function to ensure proper maintenance. Engine compartment fuse panel. The engine compartment fuse panel in the 2024 Kia Sportage is located near the battery under the hood. It controls high-power systems like the cooling fan, ECU, and ABS. The panel includes relays, high-amperage fuses, and a weatherproof cover for protection. Engine compartment fuse panel, battery terminal cover.
The engine compartment fuse panel, battery terminal cover, in the 2024 Kia Sportage is located near the battery and protects high-power electrical components. It includes fuses for critical systems like the ECU and ABS, safeguarded by a weather-resistant cover.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low-profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage, link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure.
If this guide on fuses and fuse box diagram is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.